Good morning, students. Welcome to the statistics class. In the previous video, I had explained to you regarding component bar diagram, and today I'm going to explain to you regarding percentage bar diagram. This diagram is one of the important ones, students. Please do follow this video step by step. Understand how to draw this diagram. So the question or the data is on the board, students. Let's go through it. Following are the marks obtained by two students A and B in an annual examination. Represent the data by percentage bar diagram. They said the word percentage, students. Represent the data by percentage bar diagram. To represent the data in percentage bar diagram, students, the values here or the data that is given to us here should be in percentages. If they are in percentages, then we can represent that in the percentage bar diagram. Whereas in this problem, all these numbers that has been given to us are not in percentages. So we need to convert them into percentages and then do the diagram, students. Okay. So converting, in the sense, converting, see, percentage means 100, students. That means each student's bar will be of length 100. For student A, the bar will be of length 100. Student B also will be of, the length of the bar will be of 100. Whereas in case of component bar diagram, the length of the bar will be according to the total magnitude. Is it right? That's what we have learned. But here it would be the length of the bar will be equal 100. Right. So now these values, these Kannada marks, English marks should be converted into percentages and then mark them as we have done the subdivision, right? That whole 100 percentage, how much and how it is being divided, how it is divided for Kannada, how much it is divided for Kannada, how much it is for English, how much it is for statistics, how much it is for economics, business, accountancy. This is what we need to do the subdivisions in it, and that's how percentage bar diagram will be, students. Okay, so now how to do it is, the first thing that we need to do is we need to convert these values of Kannada, which is given as 72. Kannada of student A is 72 or student B is 82. These marks should be converted into percentage, students. So to convert into percentages, students, we have a formula, and that formula is very simple. It is the individual value, okay, individual value divided by total value, okay, or in other words, total marks, individual marks divided by total marks into 100, students. This is how we do the calculation. Okay. For example, for Kannada of student A, Kannada for student A, I'll mark it as A, student A. What is it? The individual score of it is 72, and the total is 526 into 100. Okay. So what would be the total? How it would be the percentage? It is 72 divided by 526. Is it right? So it is something around 13 point, it is 13.68. So in other words, we can round this or equate it to approximate to 14 marks, students. 14 marks. Okay, let me see for English. How will be for English? English of same student, student A. He scored 85 out of 526 into 100 percentage. So it is 85 divided by 526 into 100. You'll be getting it as 16.15. I'll approximate to be as 16. So this is how the calculations are to be shown, students. Only one or two calculation you show how you have converted an value or an individual value into percentages. You just show in this way, in this regard, and then do the column. So here what I'll be doing it here is, just to avoid time, I will mark here itself, students, as percentage of for A, percentages for A, and then I will take immediately cumulative also, cumulative percentages for A. So because it will be easy for us to mark. So if you convert the 72 into percentage, you get 14, as I have showed it to you. Convert 85 in percentage, you get 16. 97, you get, if you just convert it, it would be somewhere around 18, students. 88 is also somewhere roughly around 17. Then 90 is also 17, and 94 is 18. If we add this, we get as 100. So cumulative will be 14 as it is. 14 plus 16 is 30. 30 plus 18 is 48. 48 plus 17 is 65. 65 plus 17 is 82. 82 plus 18 is 100. This is how we calculate, students. What it is percentages for A, marks converted into percentage, A's marks to be converted into percentage in this, and then the cumulative. The same I will be doing it for B also, students. For B, percentage. How do we calculate? 82 divided by 544 into 100. 82 divided by 544 into 100, approximately, or round it off as 15. We'll be getting it as 15. Likewise, I will be getting these values as 17. 92 divided by 544 into 100 is 17. 95 divided by 544, that also is 17. 90, that also is 17. 87 divided by 544 into 100 is 16. 98 divided by 544 into 100 is 18, students. So I will take the cumulative total, students. Cumulative total, it is 15. 15 plus 17 is 32. 32 plus 17 is 49. 49 plus 17 is 66. 66 plus 16 is 82. 82 plus 18 is 100. This is how we do it for B, students. Cumulative total for B. I hope you have understood this. Okay. So now let's go and start doing our usual way of drawing the graph or diagram, is all by writing the title. So what should be the title, students? Okay, so I'll write the title in a different color, and so that it will be highlighted. So what it will be the title? The title is all about percentage, 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 percentage marks, or percentage bar diagram, percentage bar diagram. Okay, percentage bar diagram representing 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 okay, the marks of two students, the marks of two students. Is that clear, students? This is how we need to do it. Okay, so let's draw it. Okay, let's draw. um, okay, I'll take this, draw a baseline for us with a thickened one. Okay, this is the baseline for us. And the next we have to draw the y-axis. Okay, so y-axis, this is the y-axis that we have to do. I hope you have got it. Okay, so now let's write the scale, students. Let's write the scale, and the scale would be like this, because it's all about a y-axis. The scale, I'll write it here as scale y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 percentage. Okay, so on that basis I'll draw this. I will start marking it here as this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80, 90, 100. This is all about percentage marks. Okay, students, this is all about percentage marks. Now, let me take about the first one, first to students. First to students marks. The bar will be of 100 length. Okay. 100 length. Okay. I hope you understood this. Okay. This is of family. This is of student A. Student A, and this is student B. Okay. Let's start with the first one, marking of which subject, Kannada. So the percentage is 14. Okay, I'll mark this as 14. The next added 16 marks to it, and the total became 30. So I'll be marking it at 30. And 30, the next mark added is 18. So it will become 48. So I will mark it at 48. For 48, I added 17 marks. So I get 65. 65. Then for 65, I add 17 marks. So it will be 82. 82. And 82 plus 18, the last, will be 100. This is how we do it, students. And the next one is for student B. His marks would be 15. Okay, it's 15. And 15, the next subject is 17. For 15, if I add 17, I'll be getting score as 32. Mark it as 32. For 32, if I add 17 more, the total becomes 49. So I will be marking it as 49. 49. And for 49, if I add 17 more, the total becomes 66. 66. And for 66, if I add 16, I'll be getting it as 82. 82. And the remaining would be 100 as it is. Okay, so We'll start doing the shading, students. Okay, we'll start the shadings. I will be doing the shadings in a different color, or okay, so it will be easy for us to understand what it is all about. The same, if I have to, I'll start with these cross lines. The same would be for cross lines. Okay, then the other things will be okay. So the next would be this plus, plus, everywhere plus. You can do anything, students. Okay, it's not that you have to do as I am doing the same designs. You can do the same. You can write the names also, distinguish, but you need to do it. The shadings must be done. The next one, I can say, I'll write the letter M. Here also I'll write the letter M. A kind of design. Is it right? Okay. So then dotted lines like this. Okay. Then I will make circles. These are all some designs, shades we can take, we can call it as. The last one would be the left, it will be left blank. So you can start writing the index. Okay. So what it represents, if I have to write these crossed lines, what they represent? They represent Kannada. Okay. Then plus, what they represent? They represent English marks. And what is that letter M stands for? It may be Hindi. Then what this dotted lines represents? Mathematics. Is it right? That's what is given to us, right? Oh, sorry. Kannada, English, uh, Kannada, English, statistics, economics. This is not Hindi. Okay. This is not Hindi. This is statistics. Statistics. This is economics. Then we have circles. Is it right? Business studies. And the last blank is accountancy or accounts. Okay. So this is how we need to do the representation of percentage bar diagram, students. The calculations I have showed it to you. Also I have showed it to you the diagram. This is how the representation must be done. So follow this video. If you have not followed, go back, rewind it and watch this video. It will help you out to understand better. Thank you very much.